All right, so we got this C300. The homie Mark brought it by. He's been having some starting issues with it. Right now, the key, when you put it in, it doesn't work. The key battery was changed out, but for some reason, it's still just when you turn the ignition key, like you don't get nothing to the starter. So it's a common problem where the ignition needs to be changed out, but it's an expensive part. There's a way to repair it, but if you wanted to replace that, it's pretty expensive. So we figured out this way, me and Mark together figured out this way where you can put the key in, okay? So it's still dead, doesn't do anything, right? Trying to show the key, there's the key, just to position 2. And then we figured out that if you come here, there's this relay that you take off this cover. So once you got that cover off, you can see that it's exposed and there's a push button on the side of it. It's like a switch basically. So we're gonna bypass it by pushing that. But first we gotta take out this fuse right here, the 7.5. So let me see if I got a screwdriver. Mark, can you come hold this real quick so I can get 2 hands, please? Thank you, bro. Just so I could pop this fuse out. So when I pop this fuse out, I'm gonna wait like probably 10-15 seconds. What I think is 10-15 seconds. And then after that, you just take it and then slide it back in. And when you slide it in, you're gonna hear it kind of clicking inside of the car, some stuff turning back on, kind of like a reset. So now you kind of just heard some clicking going on and everything like that. So now the key is still in the car, it's on position 2. You can go to this relay on the side of it, and if you just push it starts the car running. So if you don't want to replace the ignition or you don't have the money to replace the ignition, you can just, like we did here, pop this relay, take it out, and just pop this green cover off of it. Takes a little bit of time to not break it, but once you got the cover off, you'll see that on the side of it is like a switch. And like we did here, you just got to put the key in the car to position 2, come pop this fuse out, wait about 10-15 seconds, pop it back in, and then just come here and push the side of this relay and the car will start right up. So you'll be able to use the car and still be able to not be stranded anywhere until you get enough money to fix that ignition, just because it is an expensive part. But yeah, hopefully this helps some of you guys out.